Dr. Anil, who is our special guest today, is an expert who has got decades of experience in the beauty enhancement and surgery field. And he is known for his expertise in simplifying complex subjects and making them so understandable and easy to follow. And he has also been teaching other doctors and people in the beauty industry, and he also goes out and speaks to cosmeceutical companies and their audience as well as corporates as well. So let's welcome today's special guest, Dr. Anil, to share his ideas and perspectives in today's Live Limitless show.
Thank you, Mr. Ramanand. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am Dr. Anil Nirale, Director of ICLS, Institute of Cosmetology and Laser Science, Mumbai, India. At ICLS, we help doctors, we help patients, we help all people in becoming more happy. We help doctors in letting them know which branch is better for them. We help in building their career, building their medical practice. For patients, ICLS makes them happy by giving them services like face treatment, hair treatment, lasers, etc. ICLS is active since the last 30 years. In last 30 years, we have helped many doctors, many patients and many people in enhancing the quality of their life. The most frequent question asked to me is whether I should become doctor, why I should become doctor. So those students who want to do career in medicine, they ask me this question. So my answer is you have to do balancing between learning and earning. Any career you are going to choose should be based on your learning ability and earning ability. Now in medicine, learning is continuous process. It will never stop. But your earning will start late. Unlike any other profession in which you will get a campus job of good earning, that won't be available in medicine. So you must do a balancing between your learning and earning abilities and the strength of your career, because it will entirely depend on it. Second most important question, which is how to manage your professional life, your family life and your free time hobbies. So friends, you must be doing proper planning for your professional career, your job career, your hobbies and your family life. But the most common mistake is done, and that is all these three plannings are done in a separate fashion. You plan your career separately, family life separately and your hobbies separately. So do not do this mistake of planning your three aspects of your life in a separate way. You must plan all three in one together. Your family life, your professional life and your free time hobbies must be amalgamated together, and then planning must be done. So if you follow this advice, it will be the best. Now the third most important question being asked is how to remain healthy, how to spend life in a healthy way. So you must take care of three main important organs. Number one is brain, eyes and mouth. Brain means what you are thinking throughout 24 hours. That will determine your healthy nature. Second thing is eyes. What do you see through your eyes? That will determine your healthy nature. Third is mouth. In mouth, the intake and output. Intake means what you are eating, what you are drinking through your mouth throughout 24 hours, and output means words, what you say, what you are talking to others through your mouth. That will determine your healthy nature. So brain, eyes and mouth, if you take good care, then that will help you in remaining healthy. Friends, if you want advice on two important matters in life, then many people are asking how to bring happiness in their life. So remember, happiness cannot be brought into your life. You have to find happiness inside your own life, and it must come out. So do not find happiness outside anywhere, but look at it inside. For that, you will have to balance two things in your life. Now, your needs and your wants. Your needs are things which you need to live, and your wants are unending. Your wants are like your wishes. So learn to find out the difference between your wants and your needs, and if you balance your needs and wants correctly, then automatically you will find yourself swimming in the sea of happiness. The second advice I wish to give you is going to solve the most common problem, and people ask me how to remain young permanently, how to remain beautiful permanently, how to look handsome every time. So just remember, permanency is avoidable, permanency is a myth, but live for today. Today, right now, you can become beautiful. If you take care of what you are eating, how you are living, then you can definitely remain beautiful, you can look healthy, and you will look handsome. What resource I can give you in order to fulfill your dream is a book by Mr. Robin Sharma titled The Saint, the Surfer, and the CEO. The Saint, the Surfer, and the CEO. In this book, you will get idea about philosophy of life from three angles: from saint, from businessman, and from struggler. And definitely these things will help you live limitless. Thank you.